Nobody likes the yellow jacket. A lot of people are allergic. I'm me with Rescue, and this is our DecoShield. Comes with everything you need. It is an absorbent core wrapped in a very chic outer casing. And inside you'll find a little packet of repellent and a twisty tie so you can hang it wherever you please. So the top just screws right off. And inside you'll find a little pit where you can pour your repellent. Smells great. It's got clove, lemongrass, geranium, rosemary. And as you pour it in, it'll draw into the absorbent core. Screw on your cap. On the top side of the cap, there's a notch. Twist on your tie. And you're ready to hang. You want to hang them about 5 or 6 feet high, 15 feet apart, and you'll get great repellent coverage. It's good for about a week, so you're Monday through Friday. And if you can't get enough, we sell refills. I get a variety of bugs to check up on. It's kind of like having millions of pets that you just didn't ask for. I give them names, but yeah. And whatever needs doing in the lab, like filming.